Hi my dear beginner violin player, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons. I decided, guys, to create for you a songbook, 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. This book available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this, it will be much more easier for you to use that book. MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So first what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you'll play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. I think enough with the presentation and we should start with our lessons. Number 11, Russian song. The yellow sticker here, just right here, says smooth bow changes. Play accurately to a metronome. String crossing. Sustain sound for every note. Use full bow. Please first look at the tempo. Adagio BPM 80. To be able to play with your MP3 accompaniment, you have to learn where you're supposed to start. So, please look at the time signature. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this song I decided to take a little bit slower tempo than usual because I want to give you time first to place your finger on the string and then move your bow. Maybe you can try a little bit to do a vibrato. Exercise number 11, A Russian song. Let's check what our sticker says. Note A only fourth finger. Smooth bow changes. Play accurately to a metronome. String crossing. Sustain sound for every note. Use full bow. Let's check how the girl on the video is doing good string crossing. When you are playing on the different strings, don't forget about positioning of your right elbow. Pay attention to fingering in the notes. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano, because sometimes students, they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they're playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video lesson.